One of the first things I had to do was design roof supports for the van. In order to be able to install solar panels on the roof and adhere the solar panels to the roof, I had to make sure the roof was actually structurally strong enough to support anything on top of it. Now, GM directly says that do not put anything on this roof because there is not enough structural support to actually support anything of any weight other than the roof itself. The roof doesn't have a whole lot to it. You can see here, all we really have is horizontal slats across the top here, and then eventually some aluminum bars, but they don't provide a whole lot of support to the roof. The roof does have a lot of give to it. Even with structural slats where they're at, it has a lot of give to it. So my solution was to design a system that incorporated some aluminum tubing that we're using for the bed frame system to where it would actually mount to the walls. Utilizing these holes along the top of the walls here, I was able to design a mounting system that incorporated tubes. In fact, this is an example of my first one. I designed these brackets that go into the existing holes in the walls using riv nuts, the riv nut inserts that go into the walls, and then the brackets go to the end of the tubes, and the tube goes all the way across to provide a lot of support and stability to the roof. These are what the supports look like. The supports go in the end of the aluminum tube like this. The downside was to these supports is there's nothing to actually attach to the supports themselves other than the supports in the walls. My revised supports actually have this mounting system right here, which allows us to attach anything to the walls, to the roof, as well as to the walls. The previous mounting system did not allow you to attach anything to the walls more than just the actual mounting system itself. The new one has the extrusion coming off the bottom of the mount there, which will allow us to attach siding or any other trim pieces to the wall as well.